Recording?
Yeah.
What is up guys, welcome your faces back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be working on this Insignia. It's got a few issues with the coolant, so it's got a leak and a few split pipes. So we're going to be replacing a few pipes, topping up with coolant and also replacing the reservoir as well. I believe it's got a bit of air trapped in the system as well, which is causing the thermostat to blow a lot. So I think it's had 3 thermostats in the last 6 months, which isn't a good sign. So we're going to hopefully sort this out for this guy today. If you guys want any work done by us, we do boost gauges, mechanical work, MOT repairs, you know, we do literally everything. Wrapping, you know, you name it, we do it. Mods, exhaust, coilovers, springs. If you want any of that done by us, make sure you're going down below in the description and following that Rusty Autos page on Facebook. Also following me and Jack on Instagram, which is also in the description. You can message either one of us or the Rusty Autos page to get your guys a quote. So without further ado, Jack is going to come up now because his overlay, again, typical Jack. Love you really, Jack. But what we're going to do is he's going to come up and then we're going to work on the Insignia, and you never know what else is going to happen in this video. We're going to show you what exactly is the issue with this Jackie boy. So, Jack, oh, you haven't got your pointing stick today. You can't show. So, in fact, no, come on, let's see if we can hear that. Right, go on.
Hello.
You'll have to let us know if you could hear that down in the comments. But that is the new hose, by the way, that we are fitting. This is the pipe we're going to be replacing today. We're also going to be replacing the reservoir tank as well, which is down here. That also does have the sensor on the bottom, so it's literally just a straight swap, and obviously you've got to then bleed it through with air once you've refilled it again with coolant. Again, 50-50 mixture.
Yes.
Yes, Jackie boy. Jack?
Yeah?
I just want to inform you something very important.
What?
You know you got rips in your jeans.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
Did you buy them with rips in your jeans?
I did, but not this big.
Look at the size of that one.
This one?
No, this one! Right
This
there!
one? I don't know what's happening. Oh shit.
Move, please. So you've just seen us take off the power steering pump to get to the clips at the top of the radiator because it was really, really awkward to get to. You couldn't get any tools down there, you couldn't get your hands down there to take it off. So we've unbolted that, took the belt off, just put that aside for now. We've now taken off the old pipe as well, that's all been pulled straight back out. Still got the reservoir to take out, which is only going to be like 2 seconds. But we've now took off the tape from the old coolant hose, and we wanted to see the damage, so we're going to show you that now. So you can see the old damage right here. This is where it was leaking from. This is why he needs it replaced and why he had all that tape on it. So what we're going to do now, reverse the whole process, put his new one back in, and Jackie's going to have some pot noodle and Jaffa cakes.
I'll find that later.
Out with the old, in with the new, Jackie.
After I find that clip. Found it.
Colin? Yeah. Every time. You are going to jail.
Not today.
Your own personal. You can't even get in there. It's got Fiesta seats in it. But
You can sit down then.
no, you're not allowed to sit down. You ain't going to penthouse either, so don't even think about it, Jackie boy. So we've just reversed the process. The coolant bottle is back in. The pipe is back in. The next step now is basically just to fill it back up with coolant. Let it run as well, so it bleeds all the air out, and make sure that it's not going past where it should be. It's taking me out. My hand movement's doing this. Shall we do a jack?
What, wrong with the fact?
Yes. But that is basically the last thing that we need to do is fill it with coolant and then just let it run again to let all the air get out. Also, while we're here as well, you will start seeing some time lapses of jobs that we've done. We've got somebody else doing some editing for us, so he's going to be doing some bits and bobs. He's also helping us rebrand the channel with a new name, which is Rusty Autos. You guys voted on that, and that was the one that won in every single vote. So that is where it's going to be. That is coming soon. So there's going to be new intros, new outros, new overlays, all that sort of stuff. Basically a completely new rebrand. Also a new banner on the channel, new logos, all that sort of stuff. Once that's done, the logo is going to be on that back wall as well up there. So it's going to be very, very nice to have a completely rebranded channel where it's me and Jack now, not just me, because you know we're a team, we work together. So let's crack on. We're filling this with some coolant. So what we're doing now is we're just bleeding the engine, letting it run while it takes as much coolant as it needs, filling it up to the level as well and make sure there's no air in the system. Jack's now currently just filling it up, mixture of coolant and water like you've just seen. But yeah, we may do a review on this car as well at some point. It is a little different, he has got some plans for it as well. The tyres on the back are absolutely huge, but he does have plans for another engine swap. So we may do a video on this as it is, and then we may do another video later on down the line when he has done the engine swap as well. If you guys want to see that, make sure you comment it down below and smashing that like button. So that's now done. What we're going to do is we're going to now test drive it, just make sure everything's as it should, and we're going to take you along with us as well. So come on, let's go. Hi Jackie. So what we're looking out for on this drive, just so you guys know, is we're looking for any spikes in temperature or out like that, aren't we Jackie? Just to make sure that everything's all as it should be. So there's only one way to find out, and that's properly road test it. We don't want to give a car back to somebody and obviously it not be working as it should. So this is what we do. And before anybody starts, Jack is insured. What's that? So a little update while we're driving. Temp went up a little bit and then it's gone back down to 90. So far everything's looking as it should be. You want it to sit in around 90. When your fan kicks in, you don't want it to be going any higher than that. So, on that road test, things developed very, very quickly. Very quickly. Yeah. As soon as we said it's running at 90 degrees and it's dropping down, we got a little bit round the roundabout, a little bit further, and then, well, it went to 130, didn't it?
It broke.
Well, yeah, it pretty much broke, so we had to literally coast it all the way back. Now, the reason this is, we suspect a head gasket, and you might be thinking, why did you do the coolant flush and all that sort of stuff? The customer wanted to do the cheapest option first, and plus the pipe needed replacing anyway, didn't it?
Yeah.
So he wanted to obviously, and we don't blame him for this, go for the cheapest option of fixing it, because everybody wants a cheaper option, don't they? Do you know what I mean? Like even me, Jack, anybody, you want the cheapest option, you want to try that first. But unfortunately, we suspect it is the head gasket. Now, this is not going to be the last video you see on this Insignia, because tomorrow we're going to do a sniff test. Yeah. And we don't mean crawling around the floor like a little bloodhound and smelling everything. Right, we actually mean testing it to make sure, see if there's exhaust gases in the coolant, pretty much. Yeah. So you will see that in another video on another day. Maybe this week, maybe next week, we'll see how it falls. But thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Do make sure you are smashing the like button, because it lets us know that you appreciate this content. And you know, it's a lot of effort that we go through for actually doing these videos. If we was doing all the jobs that we're doing on cars, it would take us, what, a quarter of the time that it actually takes us. Yeah. But when you're recording everything, it automatically, instantly triples, doubles, quadruples the time. But you will also get a 350 video this week, because we're about to go and work on it now. And it is not anything to do with repairing the bodywork, it's actually a mechanical change.
It's a modification.
A modification for the nation. So like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and make sure you're commenting down below saying I love Jack's face.